Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Cardano from your Tangem wallet to a Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to keep your assets secure while making transfers, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have both wallets set up properly. That means your Tangem Wallet app is installed and connected, and your Ledger Nano X is updated to the latest firmware. It's crucial for smooth transactions in 2025's evolving blockchain landscape. Also, double-check that you have some Cardano in your Tangem wallet to transfer. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Navigate to the Cardano section. It's usually under your asset list. Here, select the amount of Cardano you want to send. Remember, always start small if you're new to this to avoid any mishaps. Step 2. Now, grab your Ledger Nano X. Plug it in via USB and open the Cardano app on the device. This will generate and display your receiving address on the screen. Carefully copy this address, don't rush, as accuracy is key to prevent lost funds. Step 3. Head back to your Tangem Wallet app. Paste the Ledger Nano X address into the recipient field. Take a moment to review the transaction details, like the amount and any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updates. Step 4. Once everything looks good, hit confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt on your Tangem app, approve it, and the transfer will be initiated on the Cardano blockchain. Finally, to verify, check your Ledger Nano X for the incoming Cardano. It could take a few minutes, so be patient. And hey, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication where possible. There you have it. That's how you transfer Cardano between these wallets in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it keeps your crypto safe. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.